FR1 Oolong collection is a sheer collection, double width sheer, with the particularity of a wider width of 310 centimeters. So a very nice collection. And the idea of Oolong was to introduce, and you will see with Oracle later on, three designs sort of like complementing each other, going in the category I would describe as semi-opaque. So the idea here is to bring privacy and not to play too much with the full transparency. So here, a much more opaque quality, and this is what you will see first with our design Ophelia. So Ophelia, so again, there is transparency because you can distinguish probably my arm just holding the fabric, but again, a much higher denier, a finer, a more sort of like high-hand touch altogether. So Ophelia also has the zinc band. It's fluid enough to be able to sort of like give to the drape the added benefit of having a weighted selvage. As I mentioned, zinc, made of zinc, just to make sure that the fabric is fully recyclable. And accompanying Oxidant and accompanying Ophelia in this book is Oxidant, the next design. So here we're going to a higher sort of like opacity. You can see the texture, and the texture is very nice because you have by transparency, you can see the crisscross. Still a transparent look because you will be able to see through your curtains what is happening outside the window, and a very interesting natural feel here on Oxidant. So a more richer blend of the two color mix here, and especially this crisscross effect that is giving it a very interesting natural feeling. So a collection which is composed of two designs, which is Oolong, and again fully washable at high temperature. It is certified for flame retardancy and meeting all the world standards with regards to the capacity of this shear to sustain the fire itself. So here we are talking about meeting the regulations and meeting the requirements of the maritime industry with the IMO, European standard, the French M1, German B1, and American standards are also followed. We follow 8 American standards and Asians and Pacific ones.
All FR1 fabrics are fully tested and certified under the Green Ecotex 100 standard. This means that FR1 fabrics are environmentally safe and are not harmful to human health, contain no prohibited substances or chemicals known to be harmful to humans. FR1 fabrics meet current environmental standards during all production process and are recyclable.
So a full sort of like complementary of FR standard for this collection, washable, and giving really Oolong the window treatment that you require for privacy and for having this elegance in the sheer itself. Oolong collection.